Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you slow motion on Motorola Edge 70. So basically, if you want to film your videos in slow motion, I'll show you how to do it. So open up your camera and scroll down all the way to the left, and here you have a slow motion. So basically you can turn on the flash, you can turn on and turn off the microphone, and here you can adjust HD or Full HD and the FPS, and also all the camera settings. So I'll show you how the slow motion works. So let's see. So basically that's the slow motion. So for me it works perfectly. So that's the slow motion on the Motorola Edge 70. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.